We are right now going for a road trip from Luzon to Mindanao. Parang hindi na siya lilitaw. Serial. So we're gonna pansin na ba to? Back to my channel. We are back for another road trip here in the Philippines because COVID happens and we can't still travel internationally. So ito, tangkilihin muna, tangkilihin. I don't know the word. Dito muna tayo sa ating sariling bayan. Pero para kaming lumulusot pa rin sa mga butas ng needle because the requirements, the procedures, it's so hard. And anyway, we are right now going for a road trip from Luzon to Mindanao. So join us and check out if we are really going to pass all the checkpoints, the requirements, and magroro kami 2 times. So go check that out. We are going from Luzon to Mindanao. We are right now na kami. Nasa Quezon na kami. We are just having a stopover because need namin kumain. So our food is already on the table and I have to go back. But as always, I have to remind you, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will be notified once I posted a new video in my channel. And also comment below if you have done this road trip so far, if you have done the road trip from Luzon to Mindanao. Comment below what's your experience and what anong nadaanan nyo if you have done this road trip during this pandemic. We just finished eating here at Duff's. At saan ba kami? I don't know the town in Quezon province. Papa, nasan na tayo, Papa?
Approaching Gumaka.
No, right now.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Anyway, we don't know where we are, but it's in Quezon. Way past Lucena. So, the food is great. It's in front of the sea. And if you want to stop over while going to the southern Luzon, check out Daps. So, see you at the next stopover. So we traveled 4 hours from our last stopover, which is our lunchtime. We traveled 4 hours to Naga City, and my dad said that he needs to use the comfort room. So the first gas station that we saw, we stopped for him to use the bathroom, and then he saw this sign that says that 500 12-hour stay. The name of the place is Lendes Tourist Inn. So the catalog says Lendes Tourist Inn, 500 12-hour stay, and he said, why not let's just check it out because we are just 26 minutes away from the Naga City. So my mom, the girls decided to check it out, and it was good enough for us to stay overnight because tomorrow we'll be going straight to Matnog, to the pier. So we decided to book this. It's very cheap. I'm going to tag them if they are in Facebook or link them below in the description box. But I'm gonna show you a quick room tour because it's just a small room and it only costs 500 for 2 people. If you wanna add an additional person, you have to pay 200 pesos. So for us, we're traveling for 3 packs. We paid 700 pesos. So I think that's good enough if you are in a budget and if you want to save money. Bakit ganito? Ang pangit. To save money, this is a good deal and we just grab it. So the 500 pesos is 12 hours stay, and since we arrived here around 5 p.m. we decided to spend the remaining time because we're gonna check out tomorrow at 8 a.m. So we decided to eat dinner first at SM and then just go back here to complete the 12-hour stay. So here we are at Linda's Tourist Inn. Here it is. We are renting the room 10 and I'm going to show you our room. But don't be surprised because it's just a small room and it's full of our things. So medyo magulo na and medyo full na yung things yung room. So I'm gonna show it to you. So 2 single beds. Yan. And my TV naman and then my Wi-Fi.
The next day.
Good morning. It's May 11 and it's our second day in our road trip. We left the hotel around 8 a.m. and we plan to have a stopover at Cagsara Ruins just to take pictures and then have lunch at Sorsogon. So see you on the road. Cagsara Ruins. We decided to visit it since we're here because I've heard na lumubog daw yung church, but right now it's looking fine, so I want to show it to you. So the entrance fee is 20 pesos. Kung my senior citizen is 15 pesos. And there's the church. So they still have the stores. We're going to eat lunch there first. And then here's the famous ruins. So we are here in Cagsara Ruins. Unfortunately, nakataklob hiyang-hiya si Mayon 7. So we are going to eat lunch first at the restaurants beside here. And this is the Cagsara Ruins. You have heard dun sa bagyo na natakloban siya, pero I think he's looking good and I think hinukay nila. So we are hoping for the best that clouds will pass once we are finished with our lunch. And yay! Tanungin pala natin sa mga locals kung lumubog nga ito nung nagbagyo. We asked the locals kung natakluban nga ba yung Cagsara Ruins and they said hindi naman. Pero on the back of the stores that you saw a while ago, which are those, yan, ito na yon. So dito daw duman yung lahar and nataklaban na to. So I think this was not this high at that time. Pero hindi naman inabot daw ng lahar yung yung Cagsara Ruins, yung church.
Wala namang mga namatay. Wala naman po.
Puti naman po. right now. We are going to eat lunch first at the end of the food aisle. It's called Cocoy's Food Garden. And pretty, so al fresco and so breezy. I'm gonna show it to you. So there's the church bell. There's the garden. They have all kinds of menu. They have shake, the ice cream. You know, the most famous ice cream is the Silly ice cream. So we're gonna try that again.
Iluluto niyo pa yun, ate?
Oh, my entrance. There's a garden. Look at the garden. It's purple. How much is there? 20 pesos there. Sige, pagkatapos na kumain. Kagsawa. So, part siya ng restaurant. Tapos may picture 20 and there's feed fishing. Tapos you can, oh, it's so pretty. Tapos pag lumitaw na parang hindi na siya lilitaw. Pag lumitaw si Mayon, okay, ang ganda naman ng mga flowers. So I ordered the Bicol Express because that's the specialty here in Bicol. And then for dessert, we are going to order the silly ice cream. There's my mom and dad.
Ano pa order niyo?
What's this, Mama?
It's talakito.
Kayo pansit.
Flying?
And this one's lying.
Bicol Express. Famous in Bicol. With the view of the Mayon Volcano.
Pwede daw pahingi ng sabaw si
Sure.
So meron palang town na bato.
Oo. Sa bakit ko na.
Ah, pansit na bato.
Sabihin niyo lang.
Pansit bato. Ha?
Nang.
Pansit ng bato.
Ay, thank you.
Nung bumagyo ba dito, nagkakluban din kayo dyan?
Ay, hindi pa valid yung po ma'am dumaan sa likod.
Buti sa likod dumaan.
Opo, kasi po yung ilog po doon.
Ilog yan.
May ilog po dyan. Bigla po yung bumabaw siya. Tapos kaya po, umapaw yung tubig.
Nag-overflow.
Opo, nag-overflow yung tubig.
Gano umano yung taas?
Ano po, almost 2 dive po siya. Yung kahapon.
During the mandatory. So,
Wala bang timer ito?
sili ice cream.
Iwan lang yung tubig, ha?
Yes po.
Ba't mo natanggal yung sili, ma?
Ay, okay.
So they ran out of the sili flavor, which is their strongest sili. But they have mango and strawberry na mild flavor na sili. So yung the spicy flavor is on the end part. Naahang siya, diba? Nandun sa dulo. Nandito.
May anghang din pala.
It's good. So we are going to do the ATV trail and they're having 50% off. Ang price nila is, this one is 200 pesos. This one is 400. But we are going to use the 200cc, so basically it's more than 50% off. We are going to do the Kagsawa Trail. Yeah, so our parents allowed us to do an ATV for 45 minutes. After this, we'll be heading to Matnog Pier, which is 2 hours away from here. So I think we have enough time to do a 45-minute ATV. Hopefully the Mayon Volcano will show its face, and let's go ATV. With the friends. Insert it to EJ.
Hello.
doing the ATV. We are at the end of the trail. And sabi ni Kuya, masyado na kami mabilis. So natapos namin in less than 45 minutes. So that's the Mayon. Nagpakita siya! And we are allowed to take off our mask because there is not a lot of people. So bihira lang daw magpakita si Mayon ng hapon. So we are very thankful na nagpakita siya. And here it is! Masarap. Lasang alikabok. So, super discounted sila. I think more than, is it more than 50%? It's more than 50%. And they're trying to revive tourism. If you're planning to go to Bicol or to Mount Mayon, do try their ATV. They have maraming company dito, pero we tried the Aragon's Adventure. I'm gonna tag them here, or I'm gonna tag their Facebook page. We got back from our ATV, and from where we ate, which is Coco's food garden, meron silang garden full of purple flowers right now, and ang backdrop niya is yung Mayon Volcano. So we spent 15 minutes here before going to Matnog for hitting the road again. Oh, 20 pesos pala ang fee dito. So I think that's enough fee for you to have this background, and yung background mo is Mayon Volcano. And they also give you fish food and this hat for you na hindi ma-sunburn. Pero kahit anong gawin mo, masa-sunburn ka pa rin. So meron silang mga maliliit na fish. I'm gonna show you. So papakainin ko. But if you ever plan to visit Albay or Bicol, do visit this place, support their local tourism, because hard hit talaga itong tourism nila with all the provinces here in the Philippines. Support the local tourism. Let us help our local tourism na makabangon ulit. So ito yung entrance ng garden. That's the full view of the garden, and this is the entrance. This is the hashtags that you can use when you take pictures and you post it on social media. Picture is 20 pesos, and feed fish is kasama na. Water bender.